Here's a delicious and detailed recipe for chicken and egg fried rice that combines tender chicken, perfectly cooked eggs, and vibrant vegetables. This dish is packed with flavor and is a great way to use up leftover rice. Chicken and egg fried rice. Ingredients for the chicken: 2 cups cooked chicken, diced. Rotisserie chicken works great. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, optional. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon cornstarch, optional for marinating. Salt and pepper to taste for the fried rice. 4 cups cooked rice, preferably day-old for the best texture. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, divided. 3 large eggs. 1 cup mixed vegetables like peas, carrots, and corn. 3 green onions, chopped. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, more or less to taste. 1 teaspoon sesame oil for finishing. Salt and pepper to taste instructions. Step 1. Prepare the chicken 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine the diced chicken, soy sauce, oyster sauce, if using, sesame oil, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes to enhance the flavor. Step 2. Scramble the eggs. 2. Heat the pan. In a large wok or skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil over medium heat. 3. Scramble the eggs. Beat the eggs in a bowl and pour them into the hot skillet. Cook, stirring gently until just set. Remove the scrambled eggs from the pan and set aside. Step 3. Cook the chicken. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the marinated chicken and stir-fry until it's cooked through and slightly golden, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. Step 4. Stir-fry the vegetables. Add the remaining tablespoon of vegetable oil to the skillet. Toss in the minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Stir in the mixed vegetables and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until tender. If using frozen vegetables, they may take a minute longer to cook. Step 5. Combine everything. Increase the heat to high and add the cooked rice to the skillet. Break up any clumps with a spatula. Stir-fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the rice to get a bit crispy. Then, return the cooked chicken and scrambled eggs to the skillet. Toss everything together. Step 6. Season the fried rice. Drizzle the soy sauce and sesame oil over the rice mixture. Stir well to combine, adjusting seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, stir in the chopped green onions. Step 7. Serve. Remove from heat and serve your chicken and egg fried rice hot, garnished with extra green onions if desired. Tips. Using day-old rice helps achieve a better texture, as fresh rice can be too moist. Feel free to substitute the chicken with shrimp, tofu, or beef for different variations. Customize the vegetable mix based on your preference or what you have on hand. Enjoy your flavorful chicken and egg fried rice. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or as a side dish for your favorite Asian-inspired meal.